Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. Or as Keshav says, hi guys.
Hi. Today we are going to talk about the difference between shipping and stock basket. Sir told me to do a research on that. So he did some research with the help of Albin Rowe, and he told me some things that the difference of shipping and stock basket and which is the best way to do investing. So he came up with some points to speak with sir.
Sure. So what is sipping?
So shipping is something that has that we
What is
invest
the
on
full
index,
form of
sir.
sipping?
Systematic investment plan, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So what falls under sipping?
Index.
Correct. Mutual funds.
Yes, sir. Mutual
Correct.
funds index.
All your mutual funds are falls under sipping.
Shipping. Yes, sir.
Correct. There's another systematic investment plan option. So mutual funds is one form of sipping.
Yes, sir.
There's another way you can systematically invest. What is that systematic way of investing in stock basket? So what is stock basket?
So stock basket is something that the high level analysts and researchers research something.
What is a basket?
Basket is something which carries a group of items, sir.
Okay, and very good. So basket carries variety of
Group
items.
of things.
Variety of items.
Yeah, sir.
So it's a terminology meant for a group of stocks.
Yeah, sir.
Correct. So you can put anything you want in a basket. Correct.
Yeah, sir.
Basket can carry anything.
Yeah, sir.
Same way, a group of stock basket can have any stocks in it.
Yeah, sir.
Understood? You with me?
Yeah, sir.
So in mutual funds, what happens is you pick an index like the Nifty index, or you pick the large cap index, and you have someone known as a manager, fund manager, who's in charge of that,
Okay.
right? And that guy is in charge of making sure what stocks are there in the index are bought in this, and he charges a fee, a management fee,
Yeah, sir.
right?
Yeah, sir.
And what they do is when you buy a unit. You don't buy the actual company, you don't buy the share.
Yeah, sir.
You're buying a unit.
Units of.
Right? So he takes a lot, because you cannot afford to buy one share in each company in the index. It'll be very expensive. What you do is you buy a unit of that.
Yeah, sir.
So you order the full pizza, he gives you a small slice of that pizza. That's your slice. If you want more slice, you give more money, he'll give you a bigger slice. But he's bought all of it and he's made it to a big pizza. That's what mutual fund is. So you don't actually buy the share. Literally, as I say. You don't own it. What you own is, through him, you own it. So it's like when you buy Berkshire Hathaway, you're investing into Apple. Anand says this, no? If you want to invest into Apple, just buy Berkshire Hathaway. Because not only you're buying Apple, you're buying everything which Berkshire Hathaway owns. You want to have Warren Buffett as your fund manager, buy Berkshire Hathaway. Warren Buffett is your fund manager because whatever Warren is buying is what Berkshire has. Understood? Same way, you're buying not a share. Through him, through the fund manager, you're owning these companies.
Okay.
Understood?
Understood, sir.
Same way, all these companies pay dividend to the fund manager. He collects all the dividends. Then he divides the dividends
Into units.
into units. So per unit, so much dividend he gives out. So you get that.
Okay.
So this is how basically sipping works in a mutual fund.
Yeah, sir.
In a stock basket, it's different. Stock basket is the same manager or anybody. Even you can create one basket called Keshav basket. You say A, B, C, D companies and you call it Keshav basket. Right? And you tell people you can buy the Keshav basket. And whatever the share, A, B, C, D share is 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees. What is 10, 20, 30 adds up to?
10, 20, 30 adds up to 60, sir.
Correct, 60. So I'll say you can buy Keshav basket for 60 rupees. So when you give 60 rupees, you'll get 1A, 1B, 1C.
1C.
That you get. You understood?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Understood, sir. Yeah, sir.
So you actually are buying the share.
Shares of the company.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Correct? You've understood. So this is what stock basket is. This is what SIP is.
Yeah, sir.
Now you should be asking the question.
Yeah, sir. When I saw the...
When you heard all this,
Yeah, sir.
first you thought it was something different.
Yeah, sir.
You were very confused.
The first thing that comes into my mind is, if someone who don't know finance or who is not that much knowledgeable in finance, if they see the passive way of sipping or stock basket, they will choose stock basket, I think so, sir. Because the simple mindset of humans is, we are not doing any work. They are already compiled the stocks into a basket. I'm just buying the basket. Other than that, the work has to be done by the investor and the analyst who are doing the research and making my money to grow. So I think so that stock basket
This is like a famous example. I'll give you a good example.
Okay, sir.
You go to fruit shop, right? Vegetable shop. When you go to what's the famous fruit shop here?
Palamudri Cholai.
Correct. Coimbatore Chole. When you go outside, they'll be selling fruit salad.
Yeah, sir.
Right?
Ah.
You saw?
Yeah, sir. Yeah,
Fruit
sir.
salad. Don't
Yes,
get
sir.
hungry. Come back to me.
Yes,
Talking
sir.
about stocks. Okay. They sell fruit salad. Per plate, he'll sell for 50 rupees, let's say.
Yeah, sir.
Inside, he's selling the same fruit. But if you realize, if you're going to eat the fruit salad, you can go buy the fruit yourself, go back home, cut and eat the fruit and have a lot of fruit salad left over where you can eat tomorrow also.
Yeah, sir. Sir, but my doubt is, in the fruit salad there will be number of fruits included in that. But for 50 rupees, I can buy only one fruit
Now you're
inside
talking in mutual funds. That's sipping.
Ah.
But we're here talking about stock basket.
Okay.
Okay. Probably a correct example would be you buy a basket. He's selling fruit basket.
Okay.
Instead of you going buying the fruits one by one, he's put one fruit in one basket. He's wrapped cellophane paper in that,
And
he's
puts a
selling
price.
it for 1,000 rupees.
Ah.
If you go buy the fruit one fruit and you weigh it and you buy it yourself, you'll buy it for 800 rupees.
Okay.
But you'll buy that basket. Why?
Because there is a lot more work to do when buying. He's already done the work, so he will give them money.
But the problem you lose out is you don't even know how the fruit is. If you're buying the fruit yourself, you'll hold the fruit, touch the fruit, see if it's a good fruit, if you can eat it today, tomorrow. If he's put everything in a basket, he'll hide the bad parts. You won't be able to see it.
Yes, sir.
Same thing applies in this. On a stock basket, the question should have been first question, sir, why will I buy a basket when I can go buy the shares myself? And that's true. That's a funny thing. They'll say even create your own basket. They'll say they'll assess your risk. You say, I like taking risk. I want to be in IT industry. And you give some questionnaire you'll answer. Then based on your answers, they'll say, you should buy this basket.
Yeah, sir. There are so many types of baskets.
It's just another way of taking money out of you.
Okay.
So if you don't have the time, the energy, or you don't know nothing about markets, right?
Okay.
Like I always say, put in Nifty UTI index fund and forget about it.
Sir, another thing that makes us to think that stock basket is a good way of investment is that the first thing that shows is it's a SEBI registered thing. That makes normal people when they saw that, they will think that okay, it is also SEBI registered, we can invest on that.
Yeah, but you're finally telling someone, some guy, instead of being a fund manager who charges you monthly or whatever, this guy will charge you to access his basket one time. What is the access to the basket? He'll just tell you a list of companies to buy.
Yeah, sir.
That means what? Like what? You take all the stocks Anand is talking about, put all those companies in one basket, you can say Anand basket. And you pay me 100 rupees, I'll tell you that list. And you say that people will be willing to pay you. Because why? People don't want to go through his videos and see what all companies he's talked about and make a basket.
Always a shortcut.
Yeah, you just pay you 100 rupees, you get access. Same reason why you'll pay 200 rupees more to that fruit seller when he's wrapped it up in a basket and put cellophane paper, then save 200 rupees and buy it yourself. Because you think there is some work, at least in the fruit case, the seller's case, there is some physical work he's doing for you. Here there's no work. How do you know that guy, that analyst, if he's actually doing any research or anything? He just, like you rightly said, he has a website. It just says fancy things on it.
Yeah, sir.
Put some nice graphs. Show how his basket is giving more returns than Nifty.
Yeah, sir.
Color code it. And this put I am SEBI. He'll be SEBI authorized for something, but he'll claim that as a blanket. It's like saying I'm a doctor. Just because you put doctor in front of you doesn't mean you can give treatment for anything and everything, na?
Correct.
I could be a doctor of shoes. How can I be treating cancer? But I'm a doctor. I've got certificate. I went to college. I studied on thesis on doctorate in shoes. And I studied in a very good college. Harvard I went and studied and got Oxford I studied and got degree on shoe doctor, and I'm a shoe doctor. But I just say Dr. Vinod and then I can claim to be. Some people don't even bother doing that. They're like, till I get caught, who's going to check? In India, we have very famous. Fake court is there, fake judge is there, fake police is there.
Fake doctor is there.
And fake doctor is also there.
Yeah, sir.
True. So when you look at all that, the basic reason you depend on all this, the reason why these people are asking these questions is because they want some shortcut. There is no shortcut. Unfortunately, there is no secret. They think there's some secret that finance guy knows. Anand sir knows something secret that we do not know. Whatever Anand sir knows, you have access to. He reads the newspaper. He reads balance sheets. You can read newspaper, you can read balance sheet. He's done it for 10 years. You start doing it now. You'll catch up. But if you don't have the interest to do it, you don't have the time to do it, then put Nifty passive fund and forget about it.
Okay.
You'll still see returns. you'll see good returns and safe returns. Then doing this basket and all that. Because you do not know how to track them. And if you don't know how to track these companies, and you're relying on some guy to tell you, you missed one email where he's told you to sell it, all your money is gone. Let's say he's got one Anand Srinivasan basket and you've been buying Anand Srinivasan basket. Then you went on a holiday to Europe and you missed some 3 emails where he's told you to sell it. You come back, everything is gone.
Missed, yes, sir.
Then who do you blame?
Nobody, sir. So,
But of course, it's all very simplified what I'm saying. I'm sure a lot of people who are more finesse in this will immediately be down, like Dominic will be commenting, saying, how dare you say this? We don't live in dark ages. These guys are from IIT, IIM. You fool. Who are you? Have you studied? Do you know anything? Yes, I don't know anything, Dominic. You're much wiser than I am. Please carry on.
sir, I think so. We are going to lose one subscriber of our channel. Let's see, sir.
But like in US, they have Karen. They famously say Karen, no?
Yeah,
Karen
sir.
jokes.
That
For our channel, it's going to be Dominic jokes.
Okay, sir. At the end of the video,
We'll always
it's better.
tell someone, don't be a Dominic. Don't be a Dominic.
The conclusion is it is better to invest, better to do sipping than stock
If you
basket.
have to invest
Okay.
and you don't want to study about shares, companies, and all that, it's all too much for you. This is something you just do for intellectual because you like doing YouTube and you like watching the channel. Please watch the channel, no problem. Do not buy shares. Just invest passively in UTI, mutual Nifty, and watch our programs.
Okay.
As you get better and better, you get more confident. You're able to spend time reading, and you know what you're doing. Then buy, like Anand says, tea, coffee style. You buy little you buy.
Okay.
Correct. That's the way to go about it. If you have lots of time, like you and me have, and you have lots of reading, time to read, sit and read. Then research. Then make your own basket. Like you have a basket of stocks you like. Keep buying those. Don't fall into fads. Like I was talking about in the podcast, I'll be doing tomorrow's podcast. It's all about these fad things. People will go fall for these things. And you see it in every industry, in the health industry, medicine, lifestyle. Something just come up. It's a new trend.
Yeah,
Which will
sir.
come on Instagram or somewhere and everyone's doing it. Right? Like a long time, a helicopter was going on. Everybody in Instagram was doing helicopter. Now who's doing helicopter? You look like an idiot if you're doing helicopter now.
Yeah, sir.
Correct?
True.
So don't do these fad investing.
Okay, sir.
Believe in what you do. And if you don't have the time for it, like I said, invest in passive and forget about it.
Okay, sir.
Correct?
Yeah, sir.
I hope you found this video interesting and informative as always. It was nice to have Keshav with me to talk about this because it was a completely new thing for Keshav. He's never heard about stock baskets and he was quite stunned to find out it's pretty much like a mutual fund. It's just another way of taking some money out of your pocket for in terms of giving advice. It's just another way these banks and financial companies, innovative way of taking some cash out of you. You can do all this yourself. You have access. If you have Zerodha or whatever app you're using, you can buy the companies directly yourself. You don't need anybody to tell you how to do it and all that. And paying some guy money for nothing, you might as well spend it on something more useful and entertaining. Thank you for watching Be Rich today, and I hope you enjoyed the video and see you on the next one tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you.
It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.